Hello and welcome, it's Julie Cube. I'm trying a nice ravishing red for Valentine's Day pour today. So for all the romantics out there, this is one for you. And I'm just got these different kind of combs and wondering which one I'll end up using in this particular pour, or which two or three. Not sure at this point, but thought that I'm going to incorporate somewhere in this particular Valentine's pour one of those combing effects, which is always good fun and a nice tool to use. So what befitting more than some ravishing reds? So I'll kind of split this composition, and I'm going to let you watch it to some romantic music and get you in the mood for Valentine's Day. If Valentine's Day is not your thing, totally understand, because my husband wouldn't even, know Valentine's Day procedures if it bit him on the buttocks. But anyway, here we go. So I'll just jump in where I feel I need to. Silly day today, but hope you love this video.
You can do, make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling in love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling in love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I make. You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio.
So that paint that I put along the top, the black, was Amsterdam paint with Australian Floetrol. Doesn't look so good when I do the close-ups. It's really pretty lacing, so it just helps create that lovely lace in there. And I just thought to do it with my straw to have a softer, smaller effect. Looks, very cute. So that's what that particular paint is there.
It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just want to make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you.
So to that now I have added some lovely lilac, I've added purple And then this gold is my champagne gold, which I custom make up, and it's 50% metallic gold, 50% silver. What I'm adding now is some navy blue. So putting in there and hoping that I'm going to make all of this pop.
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
I am now going to do a test and swipe to see if it's a swiping that I actually want to do. And I've remembered at this point that that navy blue is the only colour that on previous pour I put one blob, one drop of Helmar silicone for a different pour that I was doing, showing people what the effect of silicone is. And then I remembered I just don't like the silicone effect. It really makes it, the cells come up beautifully and then they go sort of blobby. But I used to use the silicone all the time a few years ago, but I really dislike using it now. But I do so when people ask me, you know, to show us what the silicone effect is. But that was just down that one end. What you'll see now is me using, I decided to go with the catalyst wedge, which there is a link down below to the Amazon store where you can buy these catalyst wedges. Definitely, you know, they seem to be quite reasonably priced, especially in the US. And they're a fun tool to add a bit of point of difference in your piece of art. So you just merrily go along, and that one it was using the side, the shorter side of the catalyst wedge, because I didn't want to take out lots of those blown kind of flowery effects there. But yeah, I'm not sure what to do with the other area, but I will be having a think about that. So as you see, I decided to swipe it and push on the same. And of course, it wouldn't be a Valentine romantic pour without the gorgeous soft effects that a balloon art can make to your work. This will bring those colours through beautifully. Make it, I believe it will make it softer, dreamy effect. So I'll push on with this and see what you think. Well, that was an interesting experiment. I didn't know which of those combs I was going to end up using. Or maybe we'll try using every one of those combs just as a test pour example of what each comb effect gives. But I think the catalyst wedge, the side of the catalyst wedge, the smaller side, worked well on this particular pour. It's going a bit weird. That bit I don't like, that's why I worked on it a bit. But I mean, it kind of still looks like an underwater scene with the underwater stuff flowing. These cells have turned into yucky cells, I believe. They're not nice and formed, they're a bit, and I remember now that in that cool blue, only in the cool blue only, I put one drop of silicone and no silicone in it. And as you probably know if you watch my latest videos, I don't put silicone in my colours anymore. And that's what I got, these kind of blobby brain looking cells that I don't like. And of course what I put first of all was the Amsterdam black with Floetrol, but then over here I put nothing except that cool blue had, and I still got plenty of cells, but I just don't like that look. So I'm thinking that I might actually blow this out. But that, I absolutely love that. Could be a piece of art just on its own. Just with the red was glorious, really. That was beautiful, so really happy about that. But yeah, it was a good experiment to see, and all of those combs give different effects, so it's so much fun trying something different, and I definitely suggest it. So my lovelies, thank you so much for joining me today. Please come again tomorrow. I really appreciate you all. So bye for now.